सर्वेषणा परित्यज्य शांता अशेष visheshanaha. See, all specialities associated with us are quietened. What are the specialities associated with us? I am good, I am bad, I am man, I am woman, I am husband, I am wife, I am Indian, I am non-Indian, I am Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. We want reservation for realization. See, this is our fundamental right to create problems. See, Shanta Ashesha Visheshanaha. No Visheshata. Only just being. Not becoming anybody. This is the meaning of practicing silence. By only chanting Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, we create more noise. Maunam Vyakhya Prakatita Parabrahma Tattvam Yuvanam. See? And thus, when we spend our more and more time in this Shanta Ashesha Visheshanaha, drop all the past. This is what old people, you can know. They will keep on talking about their past. And we don't understand. Old, I am also included in that. We don't understand. Nobody is interested in our past. Our past is not like Rama and Krishna. Our past is like any useless husband and wife. See, friends. Sarveshana Parityajya Shanta Ashesha Shanta Vishe Ashesha Visheshana. Ashesha total. Visheshana something added on to. Then Akinchanatva Ayataha. Then you come to a Akinchanatva, Mr. Nobody. You are nobody. So if you are sitting as a husband, mind will start playing with the wife. If you are sitting as a father, mind will start getting worried about the son. But if you just sit quiet as nobody, akinchanatva, nothing to do, nowhere to go. Somebody will have to do something. Nobody has to do nothing. Somebody has to reach somewhere. Nobody has to reach nowhere. Don't get carried away by too much complications of your so-called spiritual life. No. People on the spiritual path are more miserable than the average people, those who are hand to mouth. Because they are only busy sustaining their life. Their field is limited. And the spiritual people all the time in the fantasy of imagination. That Mahatma was walking on the water, so I want to walk on the water. Oh, he was blessing somebody and the thing used to happen, so I want to become like that. See? But the truth is this. Shanta Ashesha Visheshanaha Akinchanatva Ayataha. That is the truth. And therefore, we have to give up all the specialities associated with us. Akinchanatvamāyātah sa shanta ahankriti bhaved. He has attained freedom from the aham, ego. No more aham. Then, जो तारी रहा है सो मारी रहा है. भगवान की जो इच्छा है वो अपनी इच्छा है. When we merge our desire with God's desire, then whatever is happening is His desire. Then our desire will never be failure. Because our desires are same as that of the divine. So if you want to fulfillment of your desires, match your desires with God's desire. So what is God's desire? Whatever He wants to get done, He will get done through us. But for that, we must be a fit instrument. Then only He can function through us. So, Sarveshana Parityajya Shanta Ashesha Visheshana Akinchanatva Ayataha. Remain as nobody. Don't demand any special status anywhere in the world. See? When we go to see the Mahatmas, there also we demand a special status. I am close to Mahatma, I know everything. See, this is how around the Mahatma there are circles, inner circle, middle circle, outer circle. Don't get lost in that. Hold on to this most important thing. Shanta Ashesha Visheshanaha Akinchanatva. This is the spiritual life.